Hello viewers, how are you? Today I show you how to change or how to repair or how to replace ASUS Vivobook X512FA subboard change, audio board change or USB board change. This model is ASUS Vivobook X512FA, ASUS Vivobook 15 Intel Core i3 10 Gen. So start now. First open the all screw from bottom case. I already do it. 3 screw are open, done. Now are open 4 screw. Again start another big one, this one and this one. All screw are not same quality or same model. All screw are size different by different. So if you are new, must follow the instruction, otherwise you damage your laptop keyboard. Use ejector or anti-cutter. I use anti-cutter and open the bottom case softly. I already do it. And now done. Move your both hand bottom case. Done. Hard disk case is rubber case, so it's eject already. I solve it. And again fittings the keyboard module. Close the cable. And resize the position. Now I'm done. Done. Now first open the or remove the battery connection, and now open the battery. Battery open for have 3 screw and hinge, battery hinge. I remove it, and now I remove screw from thermal. Have 4 screw have. Now eject it both hand. Done. Open the screw from motherboard and EDB cable. Now eject the EDB cable from motherboard and remove the side. Open 3 screw from laptop cooling fan or CPU fan. Remove the CPU fan connection from USB board or subboard or audio board, and done. Remove the sticker or tape. remove the screw and close the hinge. After hinge close, remove the USB board. It was very small, and again I added a new one, same USB board. Added the new one and close the USB board connection. Close the hinge and close the tape and close the screw on the hinge. Now close the USB board or subboard or audio board connection. Now are done. Now close the fitting the CPU fan right position. Close the CPU fan 3 screw, very small screw. One are done. Now two are done, and now three are done. Close the CPU fan connection. Feed the EDB cable and close the EDB cable connection in motherboard, and now close the screw with EDB cable and mainboard. Now feed the thermal fan cooling pipe. And close it the screw. Two are done, three are done, and last one, 4 is done. Now close the battery hinge and close the 3 screw. One screw are done. Now 2 big screw are done, and last one is a small screw done. And now battery connection is closed, and open the laptop and press power button and check it have display or not. Wait a moment, display will coming soon. Laptop have power and displays come. Press the power button sometime and shut down the laptop, and fit the bottom case in laptop rise position and press the finger on your both hand. After done, close the all screw from bottom case. serial by serial, step by step. Just close it. Downsize is done. Now middle sides working. One are done. Two are done. Three are done. Now first side have pro screw. 1, 2, 3, and last one. Now open the laptop and press power button and press F2. Going to BIOS. Now done. Thanks for watching the video.